Hi there, students. To endow, a verb. Endowed, the adjective. Endowment, the noun. So to endow means to give an ability to someone or something, to give it a special property, to give something or somebody a special faculty, something that they can do. The increased RAM in this computer allows it to do more work in less time. She was endowed with a beautiful singing voice. Nature has endowed this area with deep, fertile soil. He was endowed with great physical strength. Notice, he was endowed. We very often use this as a passive. It's saying God, the creator, life, the universe gave him. They're using passive because they don't want to define who gave him this ability. He was endowed with great strength. Okay, so to endow, to be given the quality of, to have a special ability or a don. He was endowed with a special understanding of animals. He had a special relationship with animals. He was naturally good with them. Life has endowed him with this ability. Notice, to be endowed with. Normally the preposition is with. Okay, there's an old-fashioned meaning of this word, but I want to look at the words dower and dowry. Okay, a dowry is money given to a bride when she gets married. And endow, this has the idea of give a dowry to. And then the word dower is money inherited by a widow from her husband. This is her dower. So to endower, to be given money. And that's the idea of it. But to endow, to give a dowry to give a dower to. But that's not used nowadays. But you can see how it means to give a special quality to someone. Let's see. Endowment, to endow, is a word used in business. For example, you could have an endowment mortgage or an endowment insurance policy. This endowment policy is like an insurance where you pay every week or every month, and it pays out a certain fixed sum at a certain date, or before that if you die. It's a way of paying off an endowment mortgage. A university or an academic institution or a club could receive an endowment. Money to fund a certain project or a certain professorship. Normally it's income. And normally this is provided by giving the university an amount of capital that cannot be spent. And then the income from that capital provides the fellowship, provides the money to pay for the professor of light bulb studies. Okay? So it's the income. And that's endowment in business. But to endow, to give an ability to someone, a special ability, or to something. The invention of the petrol engine endowed humans with the ability to travel much more, with much greater mobility. So man was endowed with greater ability. Binoculars endow us with the ability to see further. Victor Gabriel has clearly been endowed with a positive outlook on life. What a wonderful endowment. Okay, so to endow, to be given, to have received a certain quality. Notice as well, we use the phrase well endowed informally, well endowed. It means to have large sexual organs. He is hung like a donkey. He is well endowed. So be careful with that. Okay, what about formality? To endow. 7.5 informality. Informally, to give the ability, to have an ability, to have a special ability. Notice as well, to endow is a regular verb. He endowed the university with money. The university has been endowed with extra income. And then what about the origin of this? Well, there's a Proto-Indo-European word, de, meaning give. And that's the d bit of it. That then led to the Latin phrase dotare, meaning to endow. And then we have this idea of a dower or a dowry, money given to a widow or to a bride. Okay? So, give is the idea. So, a formal way of saying to be given a don, to be given a special quality or ability. I hope this channel will endow you with better English. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To endow.